Okay, so I am going to address the elephant in the room, and I'm going to show you how my craft room is currently looking at. How the craft room is just a mess. So, and this is just has to end. I need to organize and make things look better so I can get motivated to craft. So let's start with this piece. This is the Michael's card that I got months ago, and the location is truly not working at all. And over here I put this new stand, and it contains boxes. All these boxes are full of my ribbon and trims that I was able to consolidate them by color, but I still do not like how it looks. This cabinet, I am thinking of getting rid of this one, because I have a lot of things that I am going to be detaching. I have stickers from 3, 4, 5 years ago that I'm not using it, so I'm just gonna, detach them, and the other part will definitely donate them. But I'm gonna keep this other one. And look at this, everything is on the floor. I signed up for Paige Taylor Evans mini album class the following Saturday, April 2nd or 3rd. So I did my homework, but I have not printed my photos because I'm running out of ink. That's another story. Over here, I had a caddy that I spray painted white and currently is drying outside my backyard. And over here, this is a station where I have some things empty, and then my sewing machine, and of course, it's super sunny, so sorry about the glare and all that. So over here is just, I'm just documenting so I can find myself accountable, because I have to get into the creative mojo and start crafting. And unfortunately, I'm sharing my space with work, and I am even thinking of moving my desk and the laptop and all my work stuff into another room, into my bedroom or living room or kitchen, I don't know. But I'm definitely don't want to see work here, because this is supposed to be my craft room. And look at this, it's just a mess. It's a mess. Down here, look at all this. I have boxes full of stuff that I categorized when I moved here in June, and moved things from my craft room, and it's just not working, not functioning. Over here, it's a pile of empty storage things that I am definitely going to get rid of. This was supposed to be my spring card. It's not anymore. It's just ugly. Doesn't give me inspiration at all. So I definitely going to fix all this, and you are going to be the witnesses of the transformation of this craft room. So again, I'm documenting the process, and this is my current situation here, and I hope you will come along and experience this transformation journey with me. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching, and leave me down in the comment section below your suggestions where I should move things around, or I just need some reassurance from you that I can make this. I can make this happen. I can be back the way I was before crafting and doing all that. So thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.